Hello guys! Welcome sa channel ng BSEC33. At sa video na ito, itatalakayin natin ang AM frequency spectrum and bandwidth. Dito sa figure na ito, pinapakita ang frequency spectrum o pang AM wave. Ang vertical side ay nagre-represent sa amplitude, samantalang ang horizontal side naman ay nagre-represent sa frequency. Pinapakita dito sa figure na ito ang carrier frequency, ang mga sidebands ng AM wave at ang kanilang mga amplitude. Ang AM spectrum ay nagre-range simula sa FC minus FM max, ang lowest lower side frequency o sa ibang books, lower side band frequency hanggang sa FC plus FM max, ang highest upper side frequency o sa ibang books, upper side band frequency na kung saan ang FC ay ang carrier frequency at ang FM max naman ay ang maximum modulating frequency. Ang bandang frequencies mula FC minus FM max hanggang FC ay tinatawag na lower side band at ang mga frequencies na nakapaloob dito ay tinatawag na lower side frequencies. Ang band of frequencies mula sa FC hanggang FC plus FM max ay tinatawag na upper side band at ang mga frequencies na nakapaloob dito ay tinatawag na upper side frequencies. Sa statement dito sa slide nito ay naka-indicate ang bandwidth. So ano muna yung bandwidth? Ang bandwidth ay isang portion ng electromagnetic spectrum na occupied ng signal o sa madaling salita, ang frequency range kung saan nakakontain ng information. Ang bandwidth na isang AM wave ay equal sa difference ng higher upper side frequency and lower lower side frequency. So ito yung difference nila. Yan yung bandwidth natin. Tsaka, since yung FM natin ito, magiging 2 times lang na maximum modulated signal yung bandwidth natin. So meron tayong sample problem. For an AM BFC modulator with the carrier frequency FC equals 100 kHz and the maximum modulating frequency FM max is equal to 5 kHz, determine frequency limits for the upper and lower side bands. Bandwidth. Upper and lower frequencies produced when modulating signal is a single frequency 3 kHz tone and draw the output frequency. So ito yung mga solutions niya. Frequency limits for the upper and lower side bands. The lower side band extends from lowest possible lower side frequency to the carrier frequency, or so yun nga yung lower side band natin from FC to FM max. So para makuha yun, yung 100 kHz na FC, paminusan natin siya ng FM max na 5. So yan, 2 FC. So FC natin 100, ilalagay na natin yan. So ang magiging sagot, 95 kHz to 100 kHz. So next, the upper side band extends from the carrier frequency to the highest possible upper side frequency, or yun nga, upper side band is equal to FC to FC plus FM max. So ang mangyayari naman dito, kukupelan natin yung FC na 100 kHz to FC plus FM max 100 plus 5 kHz. Kaya ang mangyayari dyan, 100 kHz to 105 kHz yung sagot. So next, bandwidth. The bandwidth is equal to the difference between the maximum upper side frequency and the minimum lower side frequency, or B is equal to 2 FM max. So ang FM max natin, modulating frequency siya. Since alam naman natin yung modulating frequency ang nagmo-modulate sa carrier para madagdagan o mabawasan yung frequency. At yun nga yung maximum upper side frequency saka minimum lower side frequency. So since dalawa yung magagamit natin na FM dun, FM max, i-multiply natin siya sa 2 para makuha natin yung bandwidth. So 2 times 5 kHz is equal to 10 kHz. Yun yung bandwidth niya. Upper and lower side frequencies produced when the modulating signal is a single frequency 3 kHz tone. So the upper side frequency is the sum of the carrier and the modulating frequency, or so yun nga, pag may nag-modulate pa na ibang frequency, ganun din gagawin natin, parang katulad nung maximum. So frequency of upper side is equal to FC plus FM is equal to 100 kHz plus 3 kHz. which is equal to 103 kHz. So, sunod naman, the lower side frequency is the difference of the carrier and the modulating frequency. So, ito naman yung minus naman natin yung 3. So, FLSF is equal to FC minus FM is equal to 100 kHz minus 3 kHz, which is equal to 97 kHz. So, ganito ang magiging itsura ng output frequency spectrum. May lalagay natin yung lahat ng mga na-solve na parameters. Makikita dito yung range ng frequencies sa lower at upper side band. So, ito yun. Makikita rin dito yung range ng bandwidth from the lowest lower side frequency up to the highest upper side frequency. Ito yun. Ito yung buong yun. Makikita rin natin dito yung carrier frequency. Ito yun. Yung mga na-solve natin na sideband frequencies, ito yun. 95, 97, 103, tsaka 105 kHz. At ang kanilang mga amplitude. So, pero pakita dito na pag mas malayo yung frequency sa carrier, mas maliit ang amplitude niya. At dito na nagtatapos ang ating discussion tungkol sa AM frequency spectrum and bandwidth. Sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you.